what are indices? So let's say if I'm writing anything, any base raised to some power, so this number is called as exponent form, okay? Where this is called as base and this is called as power. Power is also referred to as index, and the plural of index is indices. When we are dealing with the numbers having some powers, we call that thing as indices. Okay, altogether, this is called as exponential number. Okay, now to deal with these exponential numbers, we have few laws. First one is a to the power m times a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus
Mn.
yeah, m plus n. The powers will be added. Then second one is if I have a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then it will be a to the power m minus n.
Yeah.
Third one, a to the power m raised to a to the power m raised to n will be equal to a to the power mn. The next law is if I have ab raised to the power m, then it can be written as a to the power m, b to the power m.
Yeah.
Other than that, we have few results which we can write them as laws only. For example, if I have a to the power 0, it will be 1. So anything to the power
Anything to the power of 0 is 1.
is 1. Then the next
Yeah.
one is if I have 1 over a, then it can be written as a to the power minus 1. Okay, this is very important. If there is any number in the denominator with 1 power, like when a is there, a can be written as a to the power 1. So when it comes up, power will become negative.
Negative, yeah.
I'll give one more example for this. If I have 1 over a square, then it can be written as a to the power minus 2.
Yeah.
And if I have square root of a, then it can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. Okay, this is also just a result, not any law. So all these things will be helpful in solving questions based on indices. First one is this: when we have multiplication, we add. When it is division, we subtract. Then when power is raised to power, we multiply the power. When we have something to the whole power of m, then we take individual powers. Then if a raised to the power 0 is there, it will be 1. If we have something in the denominator, then power becomes negative. This was one more example. And the last one is if you have square root, then square root can be written as power half. Fractional indices will be coming bit later, but it is there in the portion.